Good morning, Evan. Definitely still pretty intense winds here in Mission Beach. At one point, we actually saw the light posts teetering, so they were actually coming back and forth. At the moment, not as much, but when you get those gusty winds, that's when you just feel that cold breeze. There has been some rain coming down. At the moment, not so much. So just we've been seeing, just some slight rain here. But what I do want to show you is this shoreline, right? It's just so close to that retaining wall towards the boardwalk. You can see how close the water is coming. So this is just kind of giving you a glimpse, just a sort of an image of what we are looking at the moment. You see those tides, those waves, just the water coming closer. Not so much any flooding at the moment, but as we get to some sunrise, of course, we could be seeing some flooding in this area. Mission Beach is known for some flooding. So this is what Evan was mentioning, right? We have a high surf advisory that's in effect. We could be seeing some large waves combined with the return of those king tides. So large waves of 5 to 7 feet with some sets to 8 to 10 feet. Those large waves, though, they're making for some dangerous swimming and surfing conditions. So it is not recommended that you are out here swimming. We are seeing one person here. They're obviously attracted to just how close that shoreline is. But of course, you should always keep your distance because you just really don't know just how intense it can get, right? But right there you can see we've got some spectators at the moment, right? One person here taking pictures of what it looks like at the moment, because it is just pretty unusual, pretty crazy to see when you see this, right? I mean, this is how close the shoreline is. You see the retaining wall, the boardwalk just a few feet away, but no flooding just yet. But Mission Beach, again, as you know, it is prone to flooding. So we could be seeing some flooding here towards the boardwalk, towards the parking lot, but at the moment, nothing so much. But yes, very close to where we are standing. So pretty crazy, pretty intense to see. That's latest here in Mission Beach. I'm Regina Urita, CBS 8.
And Regina, we're still more than 2 hours away from the actual high tide today. At 8:15 this morning, we'll be all the way up to 6.7 feet. So tide is just going to keep on building. Remember, you are being asked to help document king tides today and tomorrow as we go through this. Scientists say king tides have worsened because of the rise in sea levels. We're seeing more extremes from high to low. You're encouraged to take pictures and videos, submit them online safely, of course. The data collected will go to a statewide database. Also want to point out low tide at 3:38 this afternoon, negative 1.7 feet. And we do have all the information on the king tides, a link to that at cbs8.com. Click on the help button. That's also where you can find where to upload any images.